Hi guys, Caesar at your service. We'll be reviewing two gaming headsets. First from a well-known brand, which is JBL, bought an older version which was on sale, and the other one from a cheaper brand which is Plextone. First, the JBL Quantum wired over ear gaming headset with detachable mic, and the second one is the Plextone G800 Mark II extra bass gaming headset lightweight gear.
Now, the JBL Quantum 100 wired over-ear gaming headset with the detachable mics, features, and specifications as advertised. Quantum is compatible with all platforms. The JBL Quantum 100 is compatible via 3.5mm jack with PC, consoles, mobile, Mac, and VR. Check the connectivity guide for compatibility, which compatible with PlayStation, PS5, and PS4, compatible with all Xbox models including Xbox Series X, S, and One. In competitive gaming, sound is survival, and JBL knows great sound. From the thrill of tracking enemies in FPS games to engaging in epic mobile battles, the JBL Quantum 100 amplifies every victory on PC, Mac, Xbox, PS4, and Nintendo Switch. Features JBL Quantum sound signature, which is engineered for accuracy and delivers immersive gaming audio for a competitive edge, so users never have to miss a step, shot, or jump during gameplay. JBL Quantum 100 gaming headset incorporates a detachable boom microphone with echo-canceling technology, allowing users to focus on their teammates' voice rather than background noise for crystal clear communication. Memory foam ear cushions on the JBL Quantum 100 headset are covered in soft PU leather, providing comfort for marathon gaming sessions. 3.5mm jack connection for multi-platform gaming on PC, Mac, Xbox, PS4, and Nintendo Switch. Items delivered are JBL Quantum 100 wired over-ear gaming headset with detachable boom mic in blue, compatible with PC, Mac, Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, mobile, and VR. Now, what's inside the box? Here's the actual unboxing of my JBL Quantum 100 wired over-ear gaming headset with detachable mic. Now, for the Plextone G800 Mark II extra bass gaming headset lightweight gear, here's the features and specifications as advertised. Ergonomic comfortable design and volume control out of the way. We gamers usually play games for many hours, so the comfort is always a key factor when choosing an Xbox One headset. The volume control is located on the left ear of the headset, not dangling on the cord weighing us down after long play. We have tested our headsets personally, the scalar band, and breathable. Noise reduction air pads make sure every player can enjoy the optimal wearing comfort. 50mm magnetic neodymium driver delivers surround sound. Whether you're immersed in the race or want to hear your enemy's motion in COD, a professional gaming headset does matter. With a 50mm driver, Cyclotronics G800 headset offers an incredible surround sound for both games and music. Multiple platform compatibility. This gaming headset with a 3.5mm audio jack is compatible with PC, Mac, phone, PS5, PS4 controller, Xbox One controller. Please be noted as well about that for Xbox One controller 1537, a headset adapter for Xbox One controller will be required to use this headset. And now also for Nintendo Switch audio, Nintendo New 3DS LL 3DS audio, Nintendo 3DS LL 3DS audio. Noise cancelling microphone. This PS4 headset provides high-end noise cancellation to enable you to chat to your fellow players with crystal clarity. High durability woven cord. We all sit on the cord or snag it on something, and eventually the cord is the first to reveal issues. The highly durable cord is much more forgiving. Now for the detailed features. 190mm mic, Adjust and rotate storage, omnidirectional microphone with high sensitivity performance with a total length of 190mm can be flexed and fixed angle. Metal arm with scale, accurate and adjustment of wearing comfort. The adjustable metal arm with scale is divided into 7 sections for scale adjustment, which can accurately adjust to its own position. 269 grams. That's the lightweight game weight reduction design. With the purpose of lightweight, the G800 finally achieved a total weight of 269 grams, improving the wearing comfort. Thickened air cushion. Double comfort, the thickened air cushion head belt is soft and comfortable. It is excellent to block between the head and the beam, and the shock absorption is more comfortable. In addition, I also bought it with the headset stand. The GP200 headset stand rocks steady. With aluminum alloy cast column minimalist design, having the TPU-based tray solves the problem of headband deformation. Aluminum column, TNC precision cutting fine texture, non-slip base equipped with weight-added iron core and anti-skid foot pad. Now, what's inside the box? And here's the actual unboxing of my Plextone G800 Mark II Extra Base Gaming Headset Lightweight Gear with its GP200 headset stand rock steady.
Okay, it's review and comparison time. I bought the JBL Quantum 100 because of its quality and brand name, which I've been using as a replacement of my Office Jabra headset, which is designed for online meetings and quality calls. So far, it does its job and no complaints from my colleagues and friends on the other line when I'm talking. I bought the blue one instead of the black one. The advantage of this headset, it's also lightweight by weight and a detachable microphone, which is also agile that you can bend it is as you please. I like the over-ear design, which is not that tight because of the adjustable headband as well. So if you wanted a branded one, this is the currently on sale in many stores because this is already an old version and many new versions already out in the market, which of course are a bit expensive versus this one. If not sure with other brands, I recommend this one and no need to get other newer versions if you ask me. As mentioned, it really do its job and even working for online meetings and all. With its cons, which is mentioned as an disadvantage, is the detachable microphone design could be an advantage for some if you'll use it outside as a headset, if not using as a Bluetooth headset or earphones. This is recommended. But for me, this is for online meeting could be a disaster if I misplace it somewhere. Another thing is the price. Even it's one of the lowest old version, of JBL compared with the latest version of other brands such as Plextone G800 Mark II extra bass gaming headset, lightweight gear, which is almost same quality from its leather and plastics use. If you ask me, but with better and cool looking design wise, this is really expensive. So not value for money, which you're just paying because of its brand name. If you're brand conscious but wants a cheaper one, buy this one instead. Now, for the Plextone G800 Mark II extra bass gaming headset lightweight gear. I bought this at first not expecting that much of its price with the stand for less than 1,000 pesos. I was really expecting that the leather use is not that good. Then the ABS plastic and even the cable could be worse. Expect the unexpected. It's better and could be one of the best gaming headsets with its price range, or what I can say, you should have asked for more for it. It's on par on the JBL Quantum 100 or better with its futuristic looks and design. Using it as well as an online meeting, calls, etc. All the features as advertised work as it is, and it should be, and hoping will last that long. I'm not expecting that it will last that long as mentioned because of its price range that might not the quality inside, or the technology used could be the one with issue. We'll update you after months or a year of use during the year-end update of all devices we reviewed if still working or already retired. So if you ask me, which is better and value for money based on its features, design, and usage, etc., I would recommend the G800 Mark II Extra 2 Bass gaming headset lightweight gear. As mentioned, it comes with a GP200 headset stand, rock steady, which is not plastic but aluminum versus the one I'm using as well. Okay, that's it. Hope you already have an idea if you wanted to have a cheaper gaming setup at home with such quality but cheaper. Either a branded one or those brands we never expect will excel in so many ways. You'll still be the one who will decide in the end. So please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and click the notification button so that you'll be updated to our next videos. Thanks again for watching guys, goodbye, and please be safe as always.